Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be doing on where we're given a sequence where first we have to find what is n, which is the number of terms, before we find the sum of the arithmetic progression. So here we're going to find the sum of the arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression has a first term and common difference. The first term is the first value in the sequence, so the first term is 72. The common difference is what the sequence is going up or down by. In other words, what is it increasing or decreasing? But this sequence is decreasing. So looking at this, I can say that it is decreasing by 3, so it's -3. Or we can say second term minus the first term, and that will give us a common difference, which is -3. You could also say 66 minus 69 or minus 27 minus 24. But since it's an AB, we can just use 69 minus 72. So now we have the common difference and we have the term, the first term. We can now write the formulae. And I say formulae for the sum because we have two. This first one is when we have the first and the last term. As you can see, I have the last term, which is -27. Or you can use n over 2, open bracket, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So any one of these will give us a sum, but if you realize I have a, I have the last term is -27, but I don't have n. I do have d, the common difference, but n is missing. So we're going to use the last term to find out what is n, because in that position I'm able to see how many terms exist. So I need to find n in order to use any one of these formulas. So n is a necessity. So n will be found by using the last term, which is -27. So I'm going to use a term formula. So the term formula for an AP, which is an arithmetic progression, is a plus n minus 1 d. From this, I'm going to substitute the information that I have. So the information that I have is the last term. That's the one that's going to give me what is n. So the last term, which is -27, the first term, which is 72, n is what we're trying to find, so it's going to remain as is. So I'm going to have n minus 1. Remember, initially I already stated what is d. D is -3. And from here, I can transpose to find out what is n. So I'm carrying 72 over the equal sign, so we have a sign change, so it becomes -72. Then I'm going to multiply -3 times n, that's -3n, and the plus change to minus. Then -3 times -1, that's +3, so that's +3. Now minus 27 minus 72, we add and keep the sign, so we have -99. Now I carry the 3 over the equal sign, so it becomes -3, and then I have equal -3n. Now -99 minus 3, that is -102. and then we have equal negative 3n. Now we go ahead and divide both sides by negative 3. Now remember, when you divide by a negative number, there's sign changes. So because it's two negatives, it becomes positive n is equal to negative 102 divided by negative 3 become positive. So we have positive 34. So this 34 means that the last term is in the 34th position. So it means we have 34 numbers, and now we are asked to find the sum of the first 34 numbers. Now I'm going to use the first formula where n is 34, so I have s34 equal n, which is 34, over 2, open bracket, a, which is 72, and L, which is negative 27. Now this was changed to a minus, positive times negative, that's negative. So we have 72 minus 27, so that is 40. 34 divided by 2, that's 17. So multiplying this, 17 times 45 is 765. Now I'm also going to use a second formula to show you that whichever one you use, you will get the same answer. So we have n is 34 over 2. Then we have 2 times a, which is 72, plus n, which is 34, minus 1, times the common difference, which is negative 3. Now all we're going to do is simplify. So 34 divided by 2, that gives us 17. 2 times 72 is 144. 34 minus 1, that's 33. Then we multiply by negative 3, so that will give us negative 99. Now we have a plus, the plus is changed to minus, so it's negative 99. Now 144 minus 99, that will give us 45. And then 45 multiplied by 17 will give us the same answer, which is 765. So as you can see, it doesn't matter which formula we use. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have more questions, please leave a comment below. Have a great day.